Back again with vlog number 2 for Young Grease. This weekend we're heading out to Red Bull Imagination in Kansas. Me, Devin Milkovich, and Joey Sapienza. Gonna watch those guys get absolutely nuts on some big jumps. But tonight we're gonna load up the 250F into the van and start getting it taken apart, because it blew up pretty good on me this past weekend at Archview. Ended up actually blowing off the face of a jump, going into some rollers, and threw me over the bars. So stay tuned for some more on that. All loaded down.
You didn't let me pro
What?
mechanical tips for YouTube videos and stuff.
What pro tips you got for us? What pro tips you got for us?
Take it apart and remember how you did it, and then you find out what's wrong and you fix it.
Yeah.
And then you put it back together.
There you go.
And you start it up.
Pulled up to Vontae's. What you thinking, Momo? Made it over to Devin's. Devin and Joey left me to go get some stuff from the gas station, but got the oil all drained. Bike set up on the stand. Been putting in some work on this shop. You should have seen this a few days ago. I actually put in a little bit of a video from when we first started on it, how it looked like. Anyway, about to get to tearing into this thing, see what's wrong with it. Oh, you're good. Radiator's a little twisted up. I'll have that. Well, after further inspection, took the valve cover off, timing chain. She's looking dialed, bud.
Just got a little slap.
Couple more motos left in it.
Yeah, I think a couple more 30s were good.
Let me see how loose it is. No, that's what the factory star
you want
dudes
a
do.
little-
Yeah,
That's the star.
That's why they sound so good, dude. We're on to something now. See, we're on to something. Yep. Oh yeah, that's why she bogged out and died right there.
Yep.
That's why it wasn't even running the piston.
Dude, that's gnarly. Yeah, I know, the motor wasn't even turning over.
Yep.
My name Jeff.
POV.
Hopefully there's no metal pieces in here. We found out what's wrong with it.
Thing's still pretty clean though. You gonna miss this bike?
Now whenever I have a 2023 Honda 250F in the stable.
Ooh.
Kind of though, that GYTR.
Wait, they don't know about that yet.
They don't know about that yet, but they will know. You know they will. Little head action. About to get this thing dismounted. Hopefully there's no carnage down in there.
Hopefully.
Break your heart in this car.
Alright, head's coming off.
Little head dismount. Oh. Amateur. Still got the little sensor plugged in.
Oh, jeez. Jeez, first time I get. Alright, get that head off
Yeah,
there.
full dismount. Set. Oh, hang on, you're caught on the little. Yeah, you need to bring it up above you.
Ready to take over the job? It's coming up.
There she is.
Take over the job, son.
Guitar. Everything apart, organized, cam chain, toast. Little 110 jetting. Yep. Leaving the Dilkman compound, dap it up. Hey. Peace. 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 Peace, Momo. 5:30 a.m. Just pulled up to Vontae's. Already leaving. In the driver's seat. On the way. Big dog. Hey. Peace. Yeah, no, I'll just Uber home. Pulled up to the Panera Heavy, Miami J.
Free fuel before I send it.
About to shuttle us over. We on the shuttle. You know the vibes. We're stuck right now.
Entertain you folks and have fun with his buddies. He's here for the love of free ride of dirt bikes, and let him hear it, fans. This is as big as it gets. And does he stay in the throttle? Why not go big here? He's going right toward it, getting straight after it, fans. 170 feet. Whoa! As big as you could possibly go on a motorcycle, and you just saw it.
Yeah, pulling out of Red Bull Imagination. Devin's getting the car aligned. Hop in. 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m., still got bedhead. Devin's on his way over, so time to get things going. Got to get the 125 ready, got to get the 450 ready for Devin. Since his bike's just blown out, you'll have that, but ready for a fun day. Coffee in the microwave.
Not warm enough.
Bike's loaded down. Oh, we need some warm coffee and some dirt bikes. Gangster.
R3, 04,
You're
ready
right, yeah.
Started.
Pulled up on the scene. What are you thinking, Monte?
Twisted T Suzuki in front of us.
Het Motorsports. Of course.
Of course.
Dirt's like in prime.
There you go.
Popping the top. Let it bang.
Some race gas.
Big race gas guy.
Oh my gosh.
About $5, $10 on the shrouds, but it smells good though.
Not bad.
All suited up. Devin's still lacking. About to pop the tag. All the 125. No longer brand new. Little post moto. Hey,
Blueberry.
tell them what it's about.
Well, mine doesn't. Well, you haven't 8 years yet, but yours looks better.
Let's
than
get a
mine.
little comparison. Son, yours halfway gone.
Yeah,
No idea how I'm doing this, but it's kind of fire.
that's what's up, dude.
I'm gonna flip the camera around.
Yeah.
Can't even do it, dude. You know why? I'm just booling out on the highway right now. Made it back to the house after another awesome weekend of enjoying dirt bikes with the homies. Saturday, went out to Red Bull Imagination in Kansas and got to watch some guys get stupid off some huge jumps out there. Bierman and Hodges were hitting the huge gap I'm sure most of you saw, which was awesome to watch. And then we bolted back and went out to, me and Devin loaded up and went out to Indian Hills today. They reopened the track for a practice day. And it was phenomenal. I got to break in the 125, which was awesome. Got the pipe turning all blue and purple. So it's time to get everything all washed and prepped back up for another weekend of madness next weekend. Not real sure what the plans are for next weekend, but I can guarantee you dirt bike riding will be involved. So stay tuned for more.